And I used to go fishing when I was a little girl. You gotta be real quiet on the creek.
Quiet on the creek. Quiet on the creek. Quiet on the creek. You gotta be quiet. Quiet on the creek. Quiet on the creek. Real quiet on the creek. My bad. Quiet on the creek. Quiet on the creek. Quiet on the creek. Too loud. Quiet on the You gotta be quiet. Real quiet on the creek. He had dark brown eyes, waves on fleek. A real slick mouth, but he quiet on the creek. Tattoo 6 feet, a real nice physique. He always spin a bag, but the nigga barely speak. He like the trick, he like the treat. I heard he was a freak, but when you run your mouth, that's when a nigga start to tweet. Quiet on the creek. Real quiet. You gotta be calm. He like his hoes meat. He like his hoes sleek, real discreet and petite.